Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's try to solve a Python program. So given a list of integer values, so write a Python program to check whether it contains a same number in the adjacent position. Display the count of such adjacent occurrences. So given a list of integer values, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assume the numbers. So you have to check if it contains the same number in the adjacent, that is the neighboring position. So display the count of such adjacent occurrences. So let's take a list, that is my list, a variable, and let me show you what exactly the problem statement is. Let's take a list of integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then again 1, 1, 2, 2. So this is a list of integers, and you can see the neighboring position of this one is 2. So this is not a adjacent occurrences. So up to 5 you don't see any adjacent occurrences, and from 1 you can see that the adjacent occurrences of 1, that is a neighbor of 1, is 1. And again if you take the value 2, so you can see adjacent occurrences, that is a neighbor of 2, is again 2. So the total adjacent occurrences of this list is, that is the first occurrences, and this is the second occurrences. And if we take another value 2, so you can see this is the first adjacent occurrences, sorry, this is the first adjacent occurrences, so this is the second adjacent, and here we go, this is the third adjacent occurrences. So the count will be 3. So this is the problem statement. So you have to print the occurrences of the adjacent positions, that is the numbers. So let's try to solve this. So for this, let me take a counter, that is adjacent, a variable adjacent count. Let's initialize it to 0. So we have to fill this adjacent count variable. So let's take for loop, that is for index. I have to traverse all the, that is a index from range to 0 of the list. In order to get I need the position, that is the index or the offset I need. So I will traverse from 0 to the n, sorry, the n minus 1. So let's use n minus 1 over here. So index in range of, let's take a length of my underscore list, and I have to use a last but one index. So I'll be comparing the n minus 1 value with the n. So that's why I am taking that is a length minus 1 over here. And now what I'll do is check if the index is, that is a index item is equals to index plus 1 item. So if they are equal, so we got a neighboring same item. So we will increment the adjacent count. So let's take if my underscore list and check the index. If the index item is equals to its neighboring item, so let's take my underscore list again, and here index plus 1 to get the neighboring item. So if this is true, what you have to do is just increment the adjacent count plus equals to 1. Yeah, once the for loop completes, so you will be having the, that is a count of adjacent occurrences in the above list. So let's use print statement. Let's say count of adjacent occurrences, or let's give colon, and here let's give a variable, that is adjacent occurrence, that is a counter. So yeah, so this is a complete program to find or check the same number of same number in the adjacent position, that is count the adjacent position. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So running the main program, so you can see count of adjacent occurrences are 3, because this is the first adjacent occurrences, this is the second adjacent, and this is the third adjacent occurrences. So now let's take some more values. Let's not take here, let's take here. So let's take 5, then again 5. So here you can see this is the first occurrences, this is the second occurrences, this is the third occurrences, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth occurrences. The program should print 5. So let's run this program and let me show you how it works. So you can see count of adjacent occurrences are 5. So the program works fine. Yeah, so this is a complete program to check whether the item contains the same number in the adjacent position, that is the neighboring position, and count the number of such adjacent occurrences. So yeah, so that's it in this video. I'll give this code in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye.